Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 355, or 356 actually, technical analysis, crypto, and stocks. Now, if you're catching this stream live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and having suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be updated with the latest crypto-related news, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, you can join me on the Discord. Links in the description. You can also join us on Twitter. Links also there. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for being here on an awesome Wednesday night. I hope you're having a great time. Sorry, Tuesday night. Fuck, it already feels like Wednesday, dude. Sorry. It's just been one of those days at work, right? Dude, one of the clients is turning out to be a pain in my butt, dude. For reals. I can't go too much into details. But let's say... we had a COVID case at the office. We couldn't do some work, some jobs, right? Because of what happened. We notified the client instead of being understanding and even asking how the person or how that employee is doing, right? Their way of they went over it the whole different way, right? They scaled the issues to the global department. They said that we're unprofessional because we didn't call them, right? Because we just notified them via email. And that we're affecting them, dude. And now they're making this huge mess about it, right? So, how inhuman do you have to be to not even ask about a person's health when you tell them they have COVID-19, right? Anyways, it's just freaking a weird freaking long day, dude. It's just been writing emails and it's really annoying day. Anyways, let's jump on to the technicals and figure out what is happening there, right? Oh no, what is happening in the world of crypto? Well, market cap, not a lot, right? On the 1 hour, on the daily, I don't think it's also that much happening, right? We hit support at the 236. We're trying to bounce. We didn't even get to the 20. We're moving down a little bit right now. Yesterday we gained 1.36%. Sitting at $4.24 billion right now, moving down a little bit, 0.13%, approximately losing $498 million. On that note, market cap sitting at $316.04 billion. Now, what is happening with Bitcoin dominance? Bitcoin lost dominance yesterday, 0.17%. Today is losing 0.08%, sitting at 61.52% of market cap. The price, the price of Bitcoin is at $10,513.63. Is that good? Yeah, I believe it's a good area for Bitcoin right now, considering all things. Again, it's being a little bit bearish, below that 20 on the daily. Not a lot we can do there. It didn't create anything bearish on the daily, right? We just have that movement down, right, that we got on rejection of 11,120. And right now we're rejecting really the 20, which is not good, right? We're moving down on that right now, and that's a little bit bearish. We know when we reject the 20, we tend to look for lower areas of value. Again, could be coming slightly lower here, or even lower than this previous low here at 10,121. Go slightly lower, close there, create divergence from one island to the next, even on the RSI, from one part to the next on the RSI. And with that, we could be creating, again, that movement to the upside that we should be waiting for to get, right? Anyways, we should be expecting that move. If that is to hold, though, right? Where are we at on the other chart? This other Bitcoin chart. Look at this one, dude. I have this chart. I have data that I wrote on the 4 hour maybe, or the 1 hour, I can't remember. But, I had 2 points down here for potential double bottom on the 1 hour, right? I mean, this is beautiful. We did manage to hit that support at 10,289. We actually closed a little bit below it. We undid that the next candle. Then we tried to get above that 10,547, and then we got right below it, right? So I don't think we created anything bearish here, right? At least not within this island, maybe from the previous island, right? And we'll just have to check. Yeah, we do. And we'll see that once we get into the other chart. But again, as part of this, it looks like a little bit like a double bottom, right? Or maybe even bullish divergence, right? It's 10,375, and this is 10,370. It's just $5 off. We could try to say this is double bottom after that movement down. We could be trying to go for recovery, but we're really failing, right? Even the bullish divergence is not playing out that strong. We did get that nice pop coming in, and since then he's just struggling above 10,547. Again, right now sitting at $10,514. Let's go to the Bitcoin chart that we've been looking at lately on the daily. Again, not a lot happening. Rejecting the 20. We'll see where we go from there. Again, expected to move to the downside again. Maybe the shorter time scales have a better clue as to what could happen. Maybe we have some more bullish divergence that can pump us to the upside. We'll see that on the other time scales. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Gelatorian, what is up, bro? Not a lot. Work. Super insane. And then my daughter was being she was throwing this insane temper tantrum, and she just made it extremely difficult to come in here on time. You know, she was just like crying, dude. Like, you know, it was insane, dude. But she didn't want to go to bed. You know, it's one of those things like she, you know, she's tired. She needs to sleep. That's why she's doing she's throwing that tantrum. But you know, it's just like, dude, how do you tell? Like, how do you like reason with a 2-year-old that they need to go to sleep, right? So she was like, you know, rolling in bed, like crying nonstop. Like she wanted to get like covered and then uncovered with the sheets, and it was like, you know, that was just insane. Anyways, I think she's sort of calm now, so she should be going to bed soon, I hope, or sleeping soon. We'll see on the 4 hours. Anyways, had the hidden bullish. We're waiting for the movement to the upside. We failed. Came slightly lower, created some strong bullish divergence. On that, we're getting action to the upside again. I was waiting for a test of 10,647. We haven't gotten it. We know on the daily we're rejecting the 20. If we manage to get above the 20 on the daily, we have 10,647 to look at, and then the 20 moving average on Bitcoin, right? If we reject the 20, we have 10,243 to look at, and maybe even lower, right? Have we created anything bearish? Not yet since yesterday. Not a lot going on the chart. Again, a little bit of recovery, but not too much. Sitting neutral at 40.65 on that RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. What's happening there, right? Oh, first of all, the thing that's happening is that I forgot to anchor here. Then the other thing that's happening, we'll check it soon. There we go. Right on. Why could we be moving down here, right? High, lower, high, right? Some of you might already know what I'm going to anchor that, because we're going lower on the top part. That means we're creating hidden something, and we're going from a high point, right, to a much higher point. So we are creating hidden divergence here, right? Hidden bearish. Now, this point here being at 1973 and this being at 21, still slightly higher, so I'll definitely take that all the way over there. I don't believe we might also have it here against the RSI. Let's see, 55, and here we're at 57 and change. So, you know, going slightly higher. We also have that hidden bearish. So action to the downside. We're getting that move down. We're going to test at 20 on the 1 hour. And we're going to see how strong of a support it's going to be. It's been holding at support for a couple times, right? A couple touch points here. But we'll see how strong it's going to be. Anyway, sitting neutral at 49.83 on the RSI. Again, sorry for being late, guys. I am trying to keep a good schedule here. But, you know, life got in the way today. So, with that said, let's keep this analysis going. And if you're watching us live, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. And if you haven't watched us live, also hit that like, that bell, and that sub, right? We have people watching, but no one's hitting that like yet. Let's keep the ball rolling here, right? Anyways, that's Bitcoin here on the 1 hour. Again, neutral at 49.83, right? So let's go and look at Ethereum, dude. Again, I'm taking a little bit longer because I rearranged the watch list yesterday. So, you know, I did put more or less in the same order that I have. But I have way more things now. So I need to scroll a little bit more to find the things that I need. Anyways, hidden bullish, right? Low, higher low, negative, less negative. I was really waiting for us to come slightly lower here. Create some strong bullish and go for that pop. We're not going to get it on the RSI by the looks of it, but we could get it against the MACD, and it could be price action to the upside. We could get it around 319, right? On Ethereum, we're really far from the 20 on the daily, right? Being a couple like $20 off maybe from the 20. So we're sitting at 363.80. We're sitting at 343.23. So yeah, about $20 off. Moving to the upside, we'll see us hit that 364, but we'll have resistance there, and then resistance at the 20. We don't have any other bullish indicator besides this hidden bullish here. I really would like to see something develop here for us to get that pop, and it'll be we'll have a merit for it to go up. And then, it should be playing stronger than just a pop here with no divergence, right? A pop here with no divergence would be a weak pop, potentially. Now with that, we're sitting neutral at 41.89 on the RSI. Not a lot happening here on the daily, right? So let's go to shorter timescales. The 4 hour, we were looking for this bullish, right? We did get that pop and then we drop. We talked about that yesterday. Look, we're looking for divergence here as we were live, or here we were live. I can't remember here, right? 7 p.m. We're starting to go up a little bit. We failed. We moved slightly lower, right? So we keep on tracking this. We would have noticed that we created some strong bullish divergence. With that, we're getting the price action to the upside, but at least just hitting the previous highs here, right? at 343. We haven't gotten much higher. That bullish divergence could potentially see us test the 20. Sitting sold right now at 36.91 on the RSI. Again, failing here and going lower would be a little bit bearish, right? And certainly 319 wouldn't be out of the question. Nothing bullish happening, right? Besides that, and nothing bearish. So let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, we had this bearish divergence. Price action, price action to the downside, right? It's hidden bearish. We moved down a little bit, right, until 2 in the morning. Then did we create something here? Let's see, low, right, lower low. Look at that, right? Low, lower low. Now with this movement, we have created some strong bullish divergence. We're not going to anchor to a new negative momentum island. It's just to a positive momentum, but it's going from negative to 0, let's say, on bullish divergence. And then here, on the RSI, we're also going slightly higher, right? So strong bullish divergence, action to the upside. You're starting to get the rally, but being a little bit weak, right? Again, constrained by the Bollinger Bands. Volatility is leaving the market. We could be getting a wild move or an explosive move happening here when volatility comes back in. With that said, we're staying neutral at 47.89 on the RSI. Again, bullish divergence failing to take off. We could be accumulating for a pop, or if the bearishness that we've been tracking, right, this bearish and this bearish, keep on playing, we could be really looking for that movement down. Again, a little bit of indecision right now. It's just sitting sideways, right? It's just sideways motion the last couple of hours, right? At least since yesterday at 9 in the morning, 10 in the morning, it's just been more or less sideways. So not a lot happening there on Ethereum. Let's check out XRP. What is happening here? Again, we had the bullish. Tried to go up yesterday. We failed, just going 0.87% up. Today also failing to go up, right? Sitting sold at 38.61. Again, failing to perform, right? Not even heading for that 20. It's just weak. And I would guess it has to do with the the alert that came out, the whale alert, saying that Chris Larsen moved a lot of money on XRP. I can't remember the exact amount right now, but it was like millions of dollars worth of XRP to another wallet. So that could part of be the reason that people are scared. Maybe that's why the bullish divergence is not playing out. And again, like I said, things sold at 38.43. Nothing happening since. Let's go to the 4 hour. Right, going higher, right? And here we came lower. Again, went lower, lower. Nothing bullish. Nothing bearish either. Sitting sold at 36.34 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour. We're looking for bearish here. We move slightly down. If we just keep on tracking that, right? We go there, we go there. We create more bearish divergence, and then we break down again. Don't have that here on the RSI, but I do believe we might have something here. Let's see, 59 and 66, slightly higher. Also higher here and higher here on the price. Getting above that 20, which is good, but really failing to take off, right? Look, the time we tried to take off here with XRP, we just got rejected and moved back down again to the same level that we had previously. And then we're starting to get that climb again, but it's weak, right? We're not seeing a lot of strength there. I was looking for divergence. We don't have it. This is high, this is higher high. This is positive momentum. This is more positive. And a low point on the RSI to a higher point. Now, the only thing we could have would be if we kept on tracking this to here, right? If I moved that to there, right? That would be like if I anchored from here to here, right? And here, we just extend that to there, right? So on that move, we would have hidden bearish still, and probably why we're failing to take off. Again, the bullishness is there from the 4 hour. We're just failing to go higher here, right? And this also happened by the morning, so we weren't around by that time. But it looks here we're going slightly lower, right? Very slightly lower. So from here to here. Right, and if you guys can see that, then we're going from here to here, right, and here to here, right, and that we're creating strong bullish divergence. What's getting us to rally, but really failing to perform. Like it's just failing to perform, right? Again, tightness of the Bollinger Bands in here. Not a lot happening, constrained by the Bollinger Bands. Again, we could get a wild move when volatility leaves the market again. Yeah, that's gonna be it for XRP. Let's go and check out Litecoin. What is happening with Litecoin? Bullish divergence, strong price action to the upside. Went up a little bit better than XRP actually. Right, gained 3.20%. Today's failing to go much higher, getting just 0.09%. Again, not a lot happening here on the daily. So let's go to the 4 hour chart. on the 4 hour, right? We had the bearish divergence, we broke down. We haven't created anything since the movement down. Starting to climb and recover, probably from the divergence on the daily, which is okay. And sitting sold at 39.62 on that RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour. The 1 hour, we didn't create anything bullish here, right? We've just been going slowly higher every time. Again, it's impulse down, upslope consolidation. Sometimes breaks us down. We are creating some hidden bearish, right? We could go from here to here again, getting sort of the same move that XRP got. Just a rejection right after that. And we'll be going from here to here, right? And then from here to here. On that note, also just here short term, right? We're coming from this point, let's say high to a higher high. We're going from a high point on the RSI to a lower point on the RSI, creating strong bearish divergence here. Again, we had hidden bearish, now we have strong bearish. Trying to move down, but again, trying to hold on to the bullishness that we created on the daily. Let's see if this manages to play to the upside again. I'm not too confident on this move. And sitting neutral at 56.49 on the RSI. Again, the market has been more or less bearish overall, right? So on that note, let's go and check out Binance. What is happening with Binance? Where the Binance at? Sitting at $24.09. Again, had the hidden bullish. It's going on a nice rally. Yesterday managed to recover nicely, 4.13%, recovering better than XRP and Litecoin. Today, recovering 0.13%. Again, much better. Again, you know, we don't have anything else. Just sitting neutral here at 46.96 on the RSI. So neutral. Let's go to the 1 hour. Sorry, the 4 hour. We had the strong bullish divergence that we called, right? On that move, we're live here on this green candle, and we just went slightly lower here, as you can tell. But again, that holds on there. And here, short term on the RSI, as you can tell. Here we're coming lower, and here we're going slightly higher, right? Just like that. So creating some strong bullish divergence here. And with that, we're getting price action to the upside, and that is what's propping us here a little bit. And I got this very nice popping right now, failing to go much higher. Again, we haven't quite gotten to the 20. We're getting we're expanding on the Bollinger Bands, which is okay. Starting to make positive momentum, which I don't like very much because we're technically making a little bit more than back here, I guess. Let's see, 215 and 215, 116, right? 215, 803, so slightly less here. So no bullish divergence yet. Sorry, no bearish divergence yet. Waiting for it to, like, you know, finish playing out. So let's go to the 1 hour. Strong bullish divergence, right? This tiny bullish divergence that's starting to pop, right? We failed to go lower. Remember how we said we could do a fail here to go lower and you know, try to pop, and we did, and then we rejected a little bit more. Then again, we failed to go lower, and on that we are technically still going higher, right? So low, higher, low, negative, less negative. Right, and that failing to drop, that bullish divergence still at play, and managed to get us above the 20. Now, on that move above the 20, it took a lot of positive momentum to get us there, right? And it's not good, right? We don't want to see it taking a lot of positive momentum. We just want to see it be easy, and that is generating bearish divergence, hidden bearish divergence, also against the RSI. With that, we're expecting a movement down. We hit the 20. And again, the bullishness trying to make us hold on to a 20. But really not a lot happening since. Just been bouncing along the 20 for the last, let's say, 12 hours or so. Hitting that 20 again, contraction of the Bollinger Band starting to come in. We get wild moves when those contractions happen, right? Look at that contraction, then we exploded. Here we explode to the downside. Here we're going to see where we're going to explode to. But again, the market doesn't feel overall bullish, right? We just feel like there's a lot of indecision. We feel that the market is just sitting there, really not doing a lot, right? Crypto is just more or less like bland these last 2 days, with the feeling that it might drop looming over everyone's trade, right? There's a lot of chatter about the market potentially moving down. Sitting neutral at 51.72, 51.72 on the RSI. Now, there were some pre-stream requests. They were from Andrew, our buddy Andrew. He asked about ET. Can't remember what he asked about. I'm gonna have to check out here the Discord. Ethereum. We already covered Ethereum. He asked me to post that, right? So we already did that. He says he's gonna be offline. He's not gonna be able to watch tonight, but we'll post that, right? Anyways, KNC. How we looked at KNC before, I'm not sure. We're going to check real quick, make sure we don't have anything for KNC. Yeah, KNC, we've looked at that before. Right on. So we do have some stuff here from KNC. Again, if you guys want me to look at something, let me know in the chat. Otherwise, I'm not sure how long stream tonight is going to be. I still have work that I need to finish. But we'll figure it out, right? Right, so let's see, KNC, do we have something here in the daily? I'm not sure when we looked at this last, so I just have to look at both charts. This one, alright, cool. Last time we looked at KNC, we were like going for some bullish divergence, so I'm going to ignore this back here. You know, if we just were to go to there, right, which is technically higher, we'd anchor that to there, expect the bearishness and move down on that, right, so that's what's moving us down. Now here, short term, we're starting to create some strong bullish divergence on this project, which is okay, right? That's something that I like to see on projects that could give us a good entry. We don't have it against the RSI, just sitting sold at 31.16. I would have loved to have it against the RSI. Just against the MACD, it should be good enough. At least for a pop to 20 at 1.15. Right now, sitting at 94 cents. Yeah, so let's check out what else this project is doing on the shorter time scales. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. What is this? 155, 152, right? Slightly less, right? Look at that. Like coming in slightly lower here. Again, not a lot, but technically lower, right? And then look at this, going higher here, right? So bearish divergence, strong action to the downside on the MACD. We move down on that. Now here we're coming in lower, making a little bit more negative momentum, I would say. See, this is, I can see a number, I think it's 94. Sorry, 79. And even back here it would be 94. This is the highest one, 94. And here we're making 100 and plus. So we're not creating anything there. Also here we're not creating anything. Here short term we are though, right? From here to here and from here to here, right? And then from here to here as well. That node, we're creating strong bullish divergence. Action to the upside. We rally. We got near the 20. We rejected, right? We could go for another test of the 20, actually hitting it this time. Or it could decide that it's weak enough that it wants to reject. I'm not sure which we're going to get yet. Here we have 53, and here we're at 51, slightly less still. I was worried about we're creating a hidden bearish divergence for price action to the downside. We don't have that, fortunately enough. So again, bullish divergence still in play. That's the only thing we have here on the 4 hour. We have bullish divergence on the daily. Now we have bullish divergence on the 4 hour. Let's see if the 1 hour also has a gift for us. And it does. The 1 hour is so kind. We have bullish divergence on 3 time scales. That is good. That means we could be getting price action to the upside. So we got a small rally here, but nothing to write home about, right? Nothing too crazy. Again, look at this, right? Bearish divergence hidden. That's what's moving us down. That movement there. I think I forgot to anchor this. Yeah, I did. See? Haha. Didn't catch in time. I'm going to have to fix 3 lines here now. But, you know, we're in this movement happening here. This movement happening here, man, you know. Anyways, and then going higher here, and also going higher here, right? And that we're creating hidden bearish divergence. Price action to the downside. We move down a little bit. Again, not strong enough to get us to hit the 20. Let's see if we can get a rally going on here on this project again. I'm not familiar with KNC, but it looks okay. If I were to put fibs, we're not gonna be anywhere near anything, right? Because we'll be coming from a very high point to a low point, and we haven't made any valid retrace, right? If I go from wick to wick, you'll see I'll just illustrate it, but we're not going to have anything on the fibs. High to low, right? Look at that. Haven't made a valid retrace to that 236, right? So we got to wait for that to happen. Right, so nothing there. I'm just going to remove the fibs. There's no point in having them. Now, I'm going to look at DVT real quick, because why not, right? DVT doing things, right? Where's DVT doing, man? It's dropping a little bit today, so let's get the RSI and the MACD here. RSI. Get the MACD. Sorry, I need to stretch a little bit. Feeling a little bit tight. High, lower, high, positive. High, lower, high on the other side to a lower point. Here we're gonna fix the MACD real quick. See what we're creating here. Dude, Dutter's just like waking up again. It's just freaking insane, yeah. Here we're doing the opposite, right? We're creating some hidden bearish. Look at that, right? Coming in lower here and going higher here. Boom, like that. And that price action to the downside. We're moving down. That's, you know, there are technicals for that move. Are we creating anything bullish? Higher, right? Less negative, higher? No, nothing on the 1 hour. So we had hidden bearish. Now let's go to the 4 hour and see what we got there. And see how I said this is one of those projects where you can invest and quickly get returns? Look at this pop from here. 0.55 all the way to like 7.1, right? That's a good increase. You can even measure that and see how much you would have made if you would have taken a trade here, right? Look at that. Boom, boom, right? 29% in a matter of like, this for our candles. We're talking about like 12-hour period, right? It's nothing insane, dude. You know, there's small projects where you can make good earnings on just making small trades. And this is one of them. That's why this is a hidden gem for me. That's one of those things that you want to look at when you see a project, right? Does it get volume? Is it tradable? This is highly tradable, dude. Right? You can take small positions and then get those pops and start earning 20% every time, right? 10%, you know. Look at this move from here to here, right? This took a little bit longer, but this will be a 53% increase over a 30-bar span, so 5 days, right? Then even from here to here, right? Look at that. Oh, didn't get the measure. There we go. Right here, right? Look at that, right? 18% over a 12-hour period, right? So again, nothing too crazy here. This is like 3 hours, 12 hours if you got in here. Right. So what's going on? We have the bearish divergence. Do we have anything bullish? Let's see. Low, more negative, lower low. Yeah, we don't have anything bullish here, unfortunately. Right. So we're gonna move on to the daily. Again, on daily, we're not making anything bullish yet either, right? The thing we have high to low, and then low to same area, and then low to high, right? Some hidden bearish. Right, that's what's moving us down here on DVT. But again, a good project nonetheless. It's highly tradable. You can make a lot of profit trading these small movements, right? Look at that, a 22% gain yesterday, right? Like I said, good gains. On that note, I'm going to go back here to TradingView. Dude, guys, I'm not sure who's still with us, but thank you all for being here and being amazing followers of this channel. If you like what we do, hit that like button, that sub, and let me know what you want me to look at. Otherwise, I'm just going to keep on going through the stream and looking at whatever I feel like we should look at. A lot of people were into Unicorn. No one's requested it, so no one requests. I don't look at stuff, right? That's the way it rolls. I'm going to go check out RSR, right? Because that's another project that I'm invested in. Haven't looked at it today. All I know is I was taking a massive bidding there, right? And a lot of projects are just gonna, you know. Steve S, I'm here. DVT's on my radar. Awesome, bro. RSR is one of those projects where I'm taking a massive beating. It's still going down slightly. Again, I'm still tracking this divergence. You know, still hasn't played to the upside. I'm taking a massive bleed out here, dude. It's like I'm losing a lot of dough, right? I'm losing 60%, right? So I put $100. I'm at $40. I just want to get a pop so I can exit and maybe try to get in a good strategy, because I didn't go in with a good setup here, right? There wasn't a lot of data. I got in here, right? So it was just a couple charts. The only thing I had to go on was divergence here against, you know, the volume. And it wasn't too much to go into, right? So I didn't have a proper setup. Now, upon revision, obviously I ended up going in a very bad spot. And now there's a good entry of good area of opportunity here, because he popped from here to the 20. Would be a good gain, right? Look, from here to here, we're talking about like maybe a 26% gain. That wouldn't be bad for a day's trade, right? If I put another $100, I would recover 26%. I can exit at that point and, you know, reduce my risk or you know, reduce some of the losses that I've taken. So I would add $26 to my position. So if this pops here, first of all, I would be losing only 49 bucks, right? And I would be recovering 26 from that other position. So that would only make me lose approximately $25 on my trade, right? So it wouldn't be too bad. I'll be like, you know, averaging down a little bit on the hit I'm gonna take, but that's gonna be it, right? Can I look at Nat Gas USD? Yeah, I'm looking at Nat Gas. And then have we looked at the dollar? Now we haven't looked at the dollar, so we'll do DXY, right? Steve, how's your unicorn position? Did you manage to get out of that? Today I haven't been too much in the chat again. Like I said, it was a hectic day at work, bro. For reals. It was just freaking insane. Let's go to the 4 hour here. What am I doing here? Again, we had the bullish divergence, try to rally, but failed right now, coming slightly lower. That can still track onto there. That will just track onto there. And this will just track onto there, right? Again, bullish divergence, failing to perform. Again, not what we want to see. Not even going for the 20 right now. It looks like he just wants to go farther down. Sitting neutral at 49.97. So let's go to the 1 hour. What do we have here, right? Again, we had the bullish divergence. We did get that small pop. It was a good, it was an okay move. It wasn't like anything crazy. 9%, right? After we called it, and then we just moved down again, and we just haven't recovered to that point. So if we would have gotten in when we were calling it from here to here, at least to here, it would be a 4% move. Again, not too bad. High, lower, high. Positive is positive, right? We're going lower over time, coming lower here, and also lower here. So nothing bearish right now. But, the counter is that there's also nothing bullish. So we're just waiting for something to happen here. And I'm not clear as to what's going to happen with RSR, so I'm just going to wait a little bit more, see if we can get a pop. And on that note, maybe exit my position here. Steve S said he is closing most of his holdings. 10% left, but his stop loss in profit. But he didn't want to write it down. All right, so you basically took profit, not a stop loss. But yeah, you can place a stop loss, which is what it's called, right? But you usually put that below your entry level. But if you place a stop loss above your entry level, I think it's called a take profit area, right? Sorry, take profit. So yeah, it's cool, bro, that you took profit. I'm glad that you guys take profit. I'm happy that you guys take profit on projects. It's a smart thing to do, right? Having paper gains does you nothing, right? Real gains is what gives you the money to keep on playing, right? Trailing stop, yeah, trailing stop. Do you know what nat gas is at? Because I know you're talking about natural gas, but do you know the ticker or how it's quoted here on TradingView? Because I'm not finding it. I just wrote nat gas and it's not coming up. I'm not even sure what I'm going to open here. It just says natural gas. So, natural gas currency, right? I'm not sure if this is what you want to look at. Nat gas USD. That wasn't popping up, dude. Alright, it showed up. It wasn't showing up, but it opened it. Awesome. Alright, so nat gas. So CFDs on nat gas. Alright, cool. 1.82, right? That's the one we're looking at. What's the dollar look like? I'm not sure, dude. Steve, we haven't looked at that, but Jill Torrent requested nat gas before you, so I'm going with nat gas first, and then we'll look at the DXY, right? Can I do fibs for it? Yeah, we can do fibs for it. You want me to do short-term fibs here or long-term fibs? Because I'm not sure. I'll just go from here, dude. Anyways, I think it's going to be good if we go from here. I'm trying to pinpoint that. It's from low to high. We're doing a deep retrace, losing that 618, going for that 786, right, at $1.67 again. Alright, on. So that's good. From here to here again, from high to low, it doesn't make sense because we haven't made a valid low yet. We haven't started retracing at least 23% of the way. We're 23.6% of the way. So I'm not gonna wait. I'm not gonna short from high to low. I'm going from low to high. So that I would consider this a local low, and I would consider this a high. We've made a valid retrace, right? We rejected the 236. After that, we just dropped and plummeted right through that 382 all the way to that 0.50%. We tried to rally, right? And we know they're valid because look at that. We're getting close points very, very. Getting touch points very close to our resistances, right? So we rejected the 50 on that. We're moving lower, right? Here we also rejected the 20. That's why we're moving down. Do we have anything bullish? Yeah, we do have some bullish, hidden bullish, right? So from here to here. And then from here to here. And then from here to here as well, right? Some hidden bullish divergence there. Potential for a rally to come in. Or maybe some stalling happening at this area. Maybe try to reclaim that 618. Right, fib node and get above it. But it wouldn't be weird if we actually managed to come down and hit that 786, right? We're in a down move. Do we have anything bearish? Yeah, we had bearishness, right? Look at that. From here to here, we're just scaling higher every time. Here we're coming in lower, right? Here just in that last part from here to here. So bearish divergence, strong action downside, we got it. Now we're creating hidden bullish. Waiting to see if it's going to play out. We don't have any strong bullish short term. And I'm just going to leave it there for natural gas. I'm not going to go shorter on this one, right? Any smaller scales. Gold? Yeah, we'll look at gold also, bro. I just hadn't looked at gold. Look at gold. Alright, on that note, let's look at the DXY, dude. What is the dollar doing? What is the dollar doing? For DXY, one second, like I said, my list shifted yesterday, now I'm waiting. Again, we had a sort of down sloping channel, we managed to break it to the upside, that's okay. We're looking for bearish divergence, which I think we're rejecting now. 0.18, 0.17, we still have it, just barely. Again, we might reject it and get rid of it. If it just pumps a little bit more, will be a weak divergence. And then if it pumps even slightly more, we're just not going to create any kind of divergence. Right now we have strong bearish divergence still, but it's just, holding there by just like a small point. That is the DXY, right? We talked about this divergence, action to the upside. Here we had the bearish, we were at resistance. I moved down, hit that 20, managed to pop to the upside, which is okay. Again, we had the strong bullish there, trumping the hidden bearish. And right now we have strong bearish. We're going to see if that's going to move down, right? Bitcoin Jake's into his hills and his stupid high. Well, congrats, bro. Stay safe. Yo, man. I'm high as hell. Something like that. I don't know. I don't think I've ever seen you high, dude, but... Like, I never seen you, but I never known that you were high when you were in the stream. But, I hope you're doing good, bro. Hope you have a good trip on your high. And it's not one of those messy trips. Or you get the munchies and then you, want to crave anything that's in front of you. Because that, yeah, that's insane. Anyways, that's the XY in a nutshell. Let's go check out, gold and silver now. Oh, what's happening with the gold? It moved down. Oh, man. Someone said it was a crazy day. I don't think it was too crazy, man. It moved up, right? It hit resistance. We talked about that yesterday. We already hit that. So we're moving down a little bit now today and still moving lower. And again, creating that hidden bullish. Potential for a rally, but again, strong bullish. And strong bullish could be developing here. And again, we could be trying to get another pop to $1,822. Sitting sold at 39.32 on the RSI. Let's go check out silver, man. Same stuff with silver, right? But here we have the hidden bullish. And we're still developing it, right? Oh, it's sitting sold still at 34.85. And with that, we could be waiting for stalling to happen here. Maybe a retest of this area here, which I think we got today, right? No, we didn't get it. We're slightly short of that area, right? The 1618 retrace, we haven't hit that, right? 161.8% retrace. We had, we broke here below the 20 and rejected. We knew it was a chance when we were trading a triangle. If you remember, I'm not sure if we call this one here on silver, but we had a sort of triangle here developed. I know we had it on gold, and it didn't play out on gold. But here, we could go like that. So we have a triangle. Take a measure move of the triangle from high to low, right? And then just go, oh man, that's going to be our move. Did I lose it? Yeah, I think I lost it. Then we're going there. So a potential move would hit us at 22. What is this? Come on. What is this sorcery? There we go. 22.47, right? That's the target for silver. For sure. Do sand, please. Yeah. Bitcoin Jake, do sand. It should be good for you, man, apparently. Or, yeah, I'm kidding, dude. These are requests for crypto. Is that a new drug, dude? Sand? Are we all gonna get high on sand? Are we gonna rocket on sand? Is that what's happening here? I think we looked at sand before. It sounds familiar. Yeah, we looked at sand before. It was grainy. And, are we doing anything here? Low to high? Nope. We didn't have anything here, right? The only thing that we have, or that I can look at here, sorta. right? It's something like this maybe, right? A triangle sort of forming here. Again, just let me anchor this a little bit better. Right, if you will, if you want to do a triangle, that would be it. If you want to look at this a little bit different, you know, we could be going something like that, maybe, right? We haven't gotten a touch point, but it would make sense. Low, high, maybe low. And again, on that, you know, we're waiting for something to happen. Now, are we doing something here? No, nothing, right? So we haven't developed anything. High, low, right? High, low, right? Low, high, right? Here, short term, maybe. I'm not sure. 45.81, 46, yeah, slightly higher, I would say. Then definitely coming slightly lower. We're getting above the 20, which is okay, but right now we're starting to create some hidden bearish. And again, like I said, waiting for this to develop, right? Not a lot happening here on sand on the daily. Let's go on the 4 hour. Had bearish move down that, right? Held on support, managed to go slightly higher, that's fine. We broke down. Are we doing something here? Let's see. 60.81, 61.29. Right, so from here to here, slightly higher. Then from here to here, slightly lower, right? So again, we're creating that hidden bearish action to the downside, moving down on that. Low, lower, low, 180 momentum, lower on there. So that's fine. Here, short term, we're creating some strong bullish in sand, right? Like that. Is this in the 4 hour, or did I forget to anchor? It's not. I forgot to anchor. Damn, dude. There we go. There we go. There we go. Right, we're going from here to here, again on strong bullish, and then from here to here. Yeah, strong bullish divergence, action to the upside. Got above, rejected 20, got above it, holding in that support and taking a bounce. Again, right now we're rejecting. We went extremely high, probably too quick. Expanded those Bollinger Bands. We're starting to create bearish divergence here as well, right? Look at that. From here to here, and from here to here. Right, so hidden bearish. Potential action to the downside. Probably why we're stalling here on sand. And let's go to the 1 hour chart on sand and see what's going on there. Again, sand sitting at 4 cents, 4.5 cents. Bitcoin Jake doesn't know anything new. I do know new things. I try to learn every day something new. Good track. I forgot to anchor that on the daily for sure. So I'm going to get rid of that here and send it to daily. Right, and this also from the daily. Did I not send this to the daily? I think I just left it on the 1 hour. Yeah, opposites. There we go. Right on. So this from yesterday or the 4 hour? Maybe I forgot this on the 4 hour. No, it's from the daily also. Right. Again, doing the opposite, right, of what I want to do. Damn it. There we go. Damn you, lines. There we go. Clear now. We're looking for something bullish here, right? Remember? Look, we even had it here as strong bullish divergence, right? Sorry, moved a little bit more. Here we had hidden bullish. Tried to rally but failed, and then we went slightly lower, and that's okay. We're just going from here to here. Now here, short term, we're going from here to here, right? Again, creating some strong bullish divergence and price action to the upside, right? And that's what's getting us to pop here on sand, right? Getting us to go high on sand, right? We don't have it against the RSI, right? Going slightly lower. That move, we're going higher again. Now high, lower high, positive high on the RSI, lower. Nothing bearish there. Started to break down, unfortunately. Right, so we're coming down again. Here we'll probably develop some bullish. Yes, we do. Right, from here to here, then from here to here. Right. And then you know, here short term. Right, from here to here. Again, action to the upside. We get the rally, hit the 20, rejected. And what happens when we reject the 20? We look for lower areas of value. And then that we're going to lower areas of value, right? Again, we're not creating anything bullish now because we're just going lower. And, you know, we try to rally. That's fine. Failed. Try to rally again. Low, lower, low. That's great, man. Here we'll probably have some bullish, right? From here to here. From here to here. And from here to here, right? So, again, yeah. Some strong bullish divergence, boy. And that we're going to the upside, right? And that's okay. Look, we hit resistance at the 20, which is okay. Managed to get above it, right? Support, and then bounce. We had strong bullish on the 1 hour. We had strong bullish on the 4 hour. And on the daily, we're just cool, right? So again, we have some bearishness on the daily. Now we're developing some hidden bearish on the 4 hour. The question is, are we creating something here? I doubt it, dude. I doubt it. Let's see. Oh, no. Oh, we don't. We do have this island here. I was worried that we're gonna create some hidden bearish, but we don't. We don't have hidden bearish yet. When overbought right now, we're just going back into bought territory at 66.89. Again, this is gonna be it for this project, right? Again, not a lot going on with it, Sand, right now. It already played what it was gonna play. Right now, we're going extremely high, extremely quickly. We're gonna get some pullback happening, maybe a flag forming. Gotta monitor this project to see what's gonna happen with it. What was gonna play already played, right? We're sitting bought. We're already on the high part, right? Even on the top part of the Bollinger Bands. If anything, we're probably gonna come down a little bit. Try to cool off on the RSI and then maybe try to go for a new move, but we just gotta wait for that to develop, right? So the opportunity in Sand is gone. So sad. It's so sad. What else are we gonna look at? Let you guys come up with the next project. I'll check out stocks, I guess. We'll just check out the markets. We'll check out the markets, man. What's going on here? Let's look at the Dow. What's going on with the Dow, man? Again, we had the bullish divergence trying to go up a little bit today. That's okay. Didn't go up too much. Just 0.53%. That's great. 140 points to the upside. Dow Live. What is it doing? Yesterday gained a little bit more, right? 155 points. Today going up 46 points additionally, which is okay. Again, we had the bullish divergence. And we're expecting the movement to go up. Now the S&P. Going up, also we had the bullish divergence, so I'll just re-anchor to where we closed yesterday. Today, again, we closed to the upside. We managed to gap up on the opening and moved up a little bit, which is okay. Gaining 34 points. London went down 14 points, which really we didn't have anything. We just had the bearish divergence going on, so it's okay. We rejected the 20, moved lower. Nothing weird there, right? Nikkei up a little bit, maybe trying to hold on to some support here at the 20. Doesn't have too much going on. 40.93 points to the upside. And Toronto, we had bullish divergence. We said that, right? Look at that, even to here, right? Here we go. Strong bullish action to the upside. We gapped up and then we moved up some, getting 161 points, right? That's pretty cool, man. On that note, I don't think there's anything on the chat. We'll look at oil and then we'll just figure out what we're gonna do with the stream. Oil went down. Oh no, it's going down. Again, rejecting a 20 yesterday, right? Today moving lower still, which is okay. It's just okay. Do we have anything going on here, dude? Yep. Right. High, low. Yeah, I'm not gonna call anything here. This is West Texas again, right? Rejecting a 20. Let's look at Brent oil, right? Again, going up, rejecting a 20, moving lower. Today, dropping still a little bit more, right, on that rejection of the 20. So nothing really happening with oil. Just neutral at 43.60 on that RSI, right? Let me know, guys, if you want to look at something else. If you don't, then like what we do, hit that like, that bell, that sub, right? Be awesome, people. You are awesome people, by the way, for being here. I'm so grateful for you guys chilling with me, talking crypto, talking projects, talking whatever's going on here on crypto. ADA and NIM still got decent positions in them. Yo, where is the market heading in the next 72 hours? Right on, dude. Right, let's check out Cardano and NIM first. Cardano. What's happening with Cardano, right? Not a lot. Trying to go up a little bit, but not too much. We had the strong bullish, really failing to go higher. Again, not even going to a 20. Bouncing off that 618, right? Which is good. Again, sitting at 8.20 cents. Sold at 32.81 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour. Low, more negative momentum again. We had bearish divergence. We moved down on that. Nothing developing here yet. Again, failing to go higher, right? We don't know where we want to go. We're seeing indecision. We haven't gone to the 20. We haven't dropped more. Just trying to figure out what we're gonna do. We're losing that negative momentum. We might make positive momentum, and sometimes when we get these crosses, we get sometimes large bars like we did here, right? Look at that bar with a cross of the MACD over the signal line. Here we had a long red bar on a cross of the MACD under the signal line. So getting above there could give us a potentially nice large green bar happening here. Sitting sold at 37.15. We don't have anything going on here. So let's go to the 1 hour. Looking for that bearish there. We did develop it there still, which is okay. Action to downside, right? We move down now on that note. We're going from here to here. We're going higher. All right, so from here to here. Going higher. Going high, man. By the way, did you guys catch the small stream yesterday between Sam and BitLord? That was freaking hilarious. Bearish divergence, strong action to downside, hit the 20, failed to go lower. Right now, retesting that 20. A lot of tightness coming into the 100 band, so we could be getting a squeeze and an explosive move happening. We did it here. We did it here, right? So again, let's wait for this to squeeze and explode. We'll see where it goes. Again, I'm waiting for a better position to get into Cardano. I'm convinced I should be getting into this project. I'm not sure if I should be getting into it yet. Neutral at 48.51 on the RSI. On that note, let's go on the so look at the other project that you requested, dude. I'm not sure which one it was. I'll get a check here on the chat. Because I didn't write it down. Avalanche launched today. We'll look at Avocado. Nim. We're going to look at Nim first, though. It was requested previously. Nimic. And then Avalanche. So let's go do Nim quickly, right? I don't think there's a lot going on with Nim. I might be surprised. Who knows? Nimic. What's going on with that, right? Bearish divergence. Actually, to downside. That's what we were expecting to get. Again, we're just going to readjust that to there. Again, you know, had a low. That's fine. Hidden bearish. Action to downside. Headed at resistance. We move down on that. Neutral. Sorry, sold at 39.31 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, this short term, right? Strong bearish, moving us down, and then we had the bearish here. I'm not sure when we called this yesterday, like 2 days ago, maybe. Yeah. Then we'll move down on that, hitting that 20, trying to hold on support, failing and moving slightly lower. Now here, low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the RSI, lower, nothing bullish there. Low to high, negative, right? To less negative. Not a lot going on here on the 4 hours. So I'm gonna move on to the 1 hour. The 1 hour, we had the bullish here, right? Action to the upside, we're getting that small pop happening. Then we kind of reverse it for some reason. I just got to zoom in here a little bit more. High to low. Again, hidden bearish. That's what we created, right? Just coming in slightly lower here on the 1 hour chart. And as you can tell, or you might be able to tell, we're going to be slightly higher here. And that we're creating bearish divergence. Action to downside, moving down on that. Now low, right? Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on their side, higher on their side. Not a lot there. Now here we might have created some kind of bullish divergence, I guess, right? Let's see, let's check. What is this closing at? This opening at 29.22. Closing at 29.23, slightly higher. Snap, we don't have it, I think. 3175, 56. Did I read this right? No, I was looking at the wrong number. 993.95. So this is slightly higher to the last, right? So slightly higher, nothing bullish yet. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish short term here, right? Waiting for something to develop. Tightness of the Bollinger Band starting to come in and sitting neutral at 46.02 on the RSI. Rejecting the 20, not good, right? We tend to look for lower areas of value. So we could be looking for a lower area of value here, create some strong bullish divergence, and then maybe rally. That's it. Have I stayed current with traditional markets? Bro, I looked at some stuff, right? I've been looking at, like, you know, stocks, oil, dollar. That's usually what I look at. If that's what you're asking about, then yeah, dude. I haven't gone into detail into any stock today. I had a super massive heavy day at the office, dude. So, no, I haven't looked at detail into the markets, but I have looked at markets nonetheless. That was Nim, dude. Thank you, Steve, and thank you for Cryptic for being here, man. You're awesome, dude. I like the fact that you come and join us. You're a cool cat, bro. Other than that, yeah, dude, I'm not sure how traditional you want me to go here, but, you know. Let's go check out Ava. I'm not sure if that's going to be trading, Jake. It is. It is listed. Awesome. By TradingView. Great. We're going to look at Avocado. Avocado, right? That's going to be the name of this project now here on the show. Let's look at Ava, but I'm just going to place it alphabetically where it goes now, because that's how we now arranged our stuff here on the show, right? In order. In order. Order in the court. Here, I'll go here. Ava. Right. Ava launched today. Where did they launch, or what did they launch, Jake? Because I'm seeing they have a lot of data here. At least since August the 7th. So, we have about a month's worth of data to like go through, right? Again, let's start with the basics, right? Bearish divergence at resistance, the 20. And that, we are moving down, right? Again, it's against the RSI and it's hidden, so we move down on that. So we'll see. Alright. Jake doesn't know. Okay. Can I look at a project? FalconSwap.com? Sure. Alright, we'll look at Falcon Swap, dude. I looked at Honey the other day, or whatever that was. I'm not sure why you want me to look at that project. You just told me to look at it, but I think you were off the air, dude. So, I wasn't sure why you wanted me to look at there. I haven't gone through the project yet. I've just seen a little bit of what they're doing, but not too much in detail. Again, these last couple of days have been super busy at work, dude. Today I had I just been finishing like the day with massive headache, dude. I basically started the stream late because I couldn't put my kids to bed. My daughter was crying because I like 5 minutes prior to 9, I was still with my computer open, and it's still open right there on the floor. You guys can see it's over there, and it's just gonna come onto my desk as soon as I'm finished because I still haven't finished work. So it's just been a super heavy day today. A lot of shit happening in the office, dude. Anyways, nothing happening here in the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. Going higher again. We're positive higher on the other side. I'm not sure why we're breaking down here. I'm not seeing anything bearish. Maybe something prior. Right? Yeah, prior we have something, right? So from here to here. From here to here. From here to here, man. And from here to here, right? Or even here we could do from here, right? From here. And we'll just go from this point here. Right, we're creating that, you know, bearish divergence. Right, even to there. And then hidden bearish. Actually, the downside, right? And we move down on that. That's fine. Now, are we doing something here short term? Yes, we are. We're creating strong bullish right on the 4-hour. Look at that. Here. Right, that'll be one from one island to the next. Again, the way we want to see it, right there. We don't have it here on the other side, right? We're going lower. But guess where we have it? From here to here, right? Short term here. And that's what I'm going to call the other divergence, right? Coming slightly lower still. And then even here, right? So we have strong bullish. We had strong bullish, not against the RSI in the first part. And we moved up on that, but we failed. And then we were developing it again. And we're failing to go up again. So I'm not sure if this is going to drop again, right? I'm not sure about what this project's going to do, Jake. Not looking too strong right now. Sitting sold at 32.01. Gotta figure out what this is going to do, right? The bullish divergence is not playing. If this fails to drop, right? It will be like when we failed to pump. It just failed to drop. We could try to go for that 20, but right now, I'm not sure we're going to get it. Honey's up 100% in the past couple days. Yeah, dude. That's pretty good. Let me just finish Ava, and then I'll go look at the other coin that you requested, and then we'll look at Honey as well. Because I'm not sure why you want me to look at that. Anyways, from here to here, coming in lower right. From here to here, going there. Again, we have some strong bullish. It's just failing to like really take off, right? Like we did go up, we hit the 20, we're rejecting right now, which is not good. We don't want to see that fight away 20. We're going to need above it and catapult from it. Now, do we have something here? Yeah, I do believe we have a positive momentum there. So from here to here, again, you know, we have some hidden divergence. I forgot to anchor this in the 1-hour. Whatevs. Whatevs. Whatevs, bro. Again, from here to here, and then from here to here, right? You know, hidden bearish, move down on that. Create strong bullish, try to rally, but failing to go higher now. High, lower, high, positive, high on the other side, lower. We don't have anything bearish, right? We should be taking off, but we're failing. Probably a bearish sentiment still overtaking this project. Again, never heard of this project before. It's all going downhill since. Again, making all-time lows, right? We don't have anything bullish. Oh, we do have something bullish I forgot to mention here. From here to here, I hadn't looked at that on the other side, but we're going from a lower point to a higher point. We don't. So we're making some strong bullish divergence on the daily. Let's see if we manage to pump from here. A pump. This is at 63 cents. If we manage to go higher, we could be targeting the 82-cent mark at the 20 and see where we go from there. See if we're going to reject, right? But we do have some strong bullish here on AVA. Andrew, have I done Ethereum? Yeah, dude, I'll redo it, though. Don't worry. I just got to look at something first for Cryptic. He asked for Falcon Swap. Falcon Swap, the powerhouse of DeFi. Falcon Swap is a layer 2 scaling solution built on Uniswap and further extendable to aggregate over the DeFi platforms like Mooniswap, Kyber, Bouncer, AirSwap, and Bancor, etc. Coming soon. And then they have the Uniswap logo there. Isn't that cool, man? There's a unicorn, a pink unicorn. Falcon Swap is packed with multiple features. Different projects like, lower gas fees, lower slippage, privacy, faster transactions. Wednesday, launching, right? I think you said this was coming out tomorrow, right? So, on the 25th, sorry. Friday, right? It's gonna be one of those things, like, you know, Monster Truck Announcer. What is going on with this, right? Order to a matching, right? Non-custodial aggregation. Can you get this? Like, is it like, are they gonna like airdrop, or are they gonna do something with this project, or can you buy it ahead of time? I'm not sure, dude. I need to like go through it in detail. Again, I'm looking at it right now, but I'm not sure how much stuff I'm gonna be able to get out of this. Don't say too much here. It just seems to repeat what was on the top. Interesting Falcon Swap, layer 2 protocol, aggregate scale, default. I'm gonna go read through the whole thing right now as I'm live. FSW token, yay, what, dude. All right. When you hold and stake FSW tokens, you get access to multiple benefits. Token burn, 10% of the trading fees is used to buy and burn tokens. Staking rewards. Liquidity mining. Mine FSW tokens when you trade on Falcon Swap. Fizz discount. Right? That's pretty cool. Dude, I'm not sure what this project's gonna do, bro. Do you have a little bit more data? Right? I can buy it already. Right? Where is it transacting and like where can you buy it so I can look at it? And where's it gonna be listed? So you said that DeFi is for transactions, and Falcon's a layer that helps decentralized exchanges. That's pretty cool. What was it? The ticker was for this FSW. I'm not sure where we can buy it. Hotbit. Oh, I'm not sure if I like that exchange, bro. I'm gonna try to see. I have an account on Hotbit. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna be able to get it. Platform in Falcon Swap Exchange. All right. Then you have Honey, right, as well. So we'll look at Honey. I had that open from the other day. I just haven't like finished looking at it. Honey, right, is One Hive, which is the Honey token, I guess. And then Honey price for $118. Common pool. All right, so we'll get Honey token in a second. HNY, right? Let's go to CoinGecko, see if they have data there. Not here. They said FSV, right? That was the one we were looking at. FSW, sorry. See, Falcon Swap they have information for. Honey, they didn't. Falcon Swap 25 cents. What? Down 1.1%. Okay. Market cap 8,000, right? 8,513,291. All right, cool. Previous low 22. Previous high 26. Fully diluted valuation 25,000. All right. Max supply 100 million. Let's see. One Falcon Swap. Yay. Right on. I'm gonna have to check this project out in detail. Hey, this is a Honey HNY. That was a token, but it's not here, right? Look at that. Not here, man. So I'm not sure what Honey's gonna do, bro. It just says outstanding proposal, video creator, incentive proposals, rewards, SAM work, creating common stacks, convicting voting pilot. Funding for community growth. Buy Bright ID subscriptions for the faucet. Again, right, it seems to be like a sort of like project, a little bit like DVT in the fact that they are requesting for votes or something that happened on the proposals, which is okay, but I'm not sure what they're trying to do. Honey price for $118, dude, that's expensive for a project that I'm not even sure what it's doing. It's not listed. Damn it. I wish it was listed. It's new only if you knew about it. Yeah, but it's too expensive for a few people to know about it, right? I'm gonna have to like figure out where you can buy honey, because I'm not sure where you can buy honey at. Is it on Uniswap as well? So that would be interesting. Know where you can get this asset, right? Because again, if it doesn't have a lot of data, I just have to go in with whatever I find. So yeah. All right, since you know, yeah, we're gonna keep on looking at this stuff. We'll like I have to go through like Falcon Swap a little bit more in detail, bro. But I have no problem opening the site right now and showing that it's a project. I even look at the price. I'm gonna do Ethereum for our buddy Andrew, who came in late today because he was busy with work, or he's busy with work as well. So look, let's go here quickly, right, on Ethereum. Again, we don't have anything developing on the daily, right? Rejecting the 20, moving down, still in this area between the 364.03 and the 319.27. Nothing bearish, nothing bullish. Sitting sold. Sorry, neutral at 41.45. So let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour we had bullish divergence. We tried to rally, but we're failing to go higher than the previous high. A couple of minutes ago, we were actually up here, right, hitting this area. We're moving slightly lower now, and it would lead me to believe that we're gonna fail to go to the 20, and that fail we could be coming lower, right, creating some strong bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI again, and hopefully going for a pump, sitting sold at 34.70. But I'm not sure yet it's gonna get that movement to the upside. It needs, right, strong bullish is not taking off. The only thing that could save it if it fails to drop, right, fails to go lower, then we could really be going for that pop on the strong bullish divergence that we have against the RSI. But that's about it. Not a lot happening here. On that note, let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we had the bearish divergence, right? Hidden bearish moves us down. Then we determined that we ended up creating some strong bullish by 2 in the morning. On that note, we're taking that small climb, but we're really failing to go higher, right? Look at that, high to low, right? Low to high, right? If I anchor that to there, right, it will just anchor that there and anchor that. You know, we don't have anything here against the RSI, but against the MACD, you know, it'll just be an extension of this line, right? As if I just went from here to here, right? It's all bearish. It's all hidden bearish divergence in the end, right? And from here to here, right? So again, not a lot happening. And maybe that's what's moving us down below 20 right now in the 1 hour. We're very tight on the Bollinger Bands, right? Look at that. We could get an explosive move, and I'm not liking the fact that it could potentially be to the downside, right? So it's a little bit worrying. Again, it's what we would need for us to create some strong bullish divergence against the RSI, sorry, against the 4 hour. And any negative momentum island that we start creating here, right, we're gonna make probably less negative momentum than back here. Then we'll really be able to anchor to a lower point with less negative momentum and create a strong bullish divergence the way we want to create it against the RSI to a positive momentum, so to a negative momentum island, and not to a 0 point on the MACD, right? Anyways, you want to get lower? Yeah, dude, I think it's gonna go lower probably. You found a video on YouTube called Random Randoms. All right. I wrote that down. I'll check it out, bro. Yo, dude, by the way, my, like, studio count on YouTube is super weird, man. You see? It says that I have, like, 5, 6 people viewing, and then it only says, like, 3. It's just freaking off for some reason. It has been like that all week, dude. Anyways, if you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub, right? And also, follow us on YouTube. If you haven't followed us on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel. We're a really cool crowd here. Nong Ning, you're having... Or grass? You're having grass? Okay, that's cool. I guess. I'm not sure why you're having grass. Weird. Anyway, some dude is eating grass, apparently. I think you should smoke the grass, not, like, eating or having it. You know, that's okay for you, bro, I guess. Right? Anyways, what else you guys want to look at? What else? is in this. What else is going to be in store for us, man? Come on, let me know what you want to look at. Oh, by the way, Steve, you asked about a prediction for the next 72 hours, dude. Let's look at Bitcoin, right? Hitting the 20, trying to hold. If we lose the 20, dude, and then we test it as resistance, I would be betting that we're going to go down to that 10,200. But if we manage to hold on to a 20 and like use it as support, we could definitely be going to that 10,647. I'm just going to give you predictions to those areas. I'm not sure if it's going to be short-term or long-term, because I'm not sure if that's going to happen. It should be happening within the next 72 hours, right? Either or. But I'm not sure, right? If this goes down, imagine that. Like, look at Bitcoin, right? If this goes down here, right, we create some strong... it's not going there. From here, right? And then we'd be anchored maybe to a lower point here, right? And then have some strong bullish divergence, and also strong bullish divergence against the RSI. So it would be good. This is the 1 hour chart, by the way. So this could happen extremely quickly, right? But that's what I would be expecting to have, right? Some strong bullish divergence before we try to go on a rally of sorts. And then on the 4 hour, let's see, do we have something here? We don't have anything, right? Again, a movement down would potentially have us create some strong bullish divergence on the 4 hour. And if we have a strong bullish divergence on the 4 hour and on the 1 hour, then we have a better shot at pumping to the upside. Sorry. Why do I used to get alerts when I wake up if the price is moving? Dude, I do. Well, okay, cool. Yeah, I use a couple things to long name is just being a I'm not sure, dude. I think he's high or something. Andrew, why do I used to get alerts? Well, first of all, I place alerts here, right? I have the free version, so I can only place one. But if I were to go here and I said add alert, right, it'll tell me where, right? So you just add an alert, and he'll let me create an alert for this chart on crossing the line or crossing up or crossing down, right? I could go anywhere there, greater than or lower than, right? Entering a channel, whatever I want to do, right? Anyways, you can place your alert. You can go on value, set it where you want to target it, right? You can set every time or only once. So if you set every time it goes up or down that level, on crossing, you'll just be alerting you. So if it's flirting with that line, you're gonna get a lot of alerts. But if it's just below, if you just want to get it on the downside, you can open it there, and then you can say notify an app, show pop up, send email or webbook URL, right? So you can send yourself an email. You can get notified on the app. So if you have the app on your phone, which like I have, you'll get a notification coming up. Sometimes by the time you get it, the market's even moved a little bit farther down. So if you're targeting an area, like let's say you're targeting 10,200, right? I'll probably place it at 10,287 to wake up at least $40 move. So if it's tanking, I know it's gonna get there quick. And if the alert delays a little bit, I'm gonna get it. I have other apps or widgets for the phone. If you have an Android phone, there is a couple of widgets that you can get that are Bitcoin alerts, right? And I have this one that I'm not sure if I can open it. It's not letting me open it, but the one I want to open is requesting for like it's called the Bitcoin widget ticker or something like that. But you can place alerts on a couple of those small widgets. You can find them online, right, on the App Store. Just place like Bitcoin alerts or Bitcoin price or crypto price, and then you'll like download the client or the app, and when you go into the widget section, you can add the widget for that, so you can have it on your screen, right? You can look at the price more or less accurately because it does have some delay. You can say how often you want it to refresh. Obviously, the more it refreshes, the more it's checking online, the more data it's consuming. So you can have it like every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes or so. But you can also place alerts there on crossing to alert you, and it will alert you. Again, they're a little bit delayed, but you can get those to happen as well, right? So that's usually what I use. Again, on the free version of TradingView, you are only able to get one alert. On the other apps, you can get a couple of alerts set up, right, on the widgets. So yeah, that would be the good stuff, right? Steve asks, you wake up in the middle of the night? No, I don't wake up in the middle of the night. I sleep safe. Yeah, if like the alert triggers, then yeah. But you can, if you have a stop loss, it should trigger, right? So you shouldn't be waking up in the middle of the night. You should be sleeping peaceful if you're trading properly. Bitcoin Jake, his eyes are going wide. One of his eyes is larger than the other one, apparently. Andrew, I only get emails. Say notify here on the app, and then you'll be notified. How to make my phone explode. I'm not sure why you want to get your phone to explode. Phallic Doctor. He uses your husband to wake you up. That's cool, I guess, right? Yeah, good that you use your husband to wake you up, bro. Or sis, whatever. I'm not sure what you are, but thank you for being here, Phallic Doctor. And yeah, great. That's what I use for alerts, right? Widgets and that. By the way, you know what project's doing extremely well? Like, besides everything else, like, going down? Again, I'm not pushing the project, right? But my solo is doing extremely well, dude. It's just insane how well solo's doing, dude. Right? At least on Coinfield. And, you know, the thing is, I cannot... The solo that I get here is, like, lower than what's on Coinfield. I'm not sure, if, like, why that gap is there. But, yeah, it's insane, dude. Earlier today, it was like 90 cents, right? I got in at 27 cents. I'm already making, like, 3 times my money. So, you know, it's a good project for me, dude. Like, you know, solo has been a good project. Right now, $32.33. Earlier on, it was around $33. When it goes to, like, you know, $1, I'm going to be making, like, $36 on this. And I basically on $10 that I got free, right? And I placed there. So it wasn't too much, but, you know, whatever. Steve S. Well, gents, it's been a good night. I'm calling it mostly in Tether. What's in solo? Sologenic. Farming token? No, I doubt it, dude. What they want to use with like XRP to tokenize stuff, right? But look at this. Tokenize securities on demand for 40,000 plus stocks, ETFs, and commodities. So that's how you're going to tokenize them. The DeFi virtual band of the year. DeFi X Solo. Tokenize assets on demand, right? So you can use the Sologenic platform to basically buy assets on crypto, I guess, or tokenized version of the assets. Right? So, yeah. It's not a good project. I like it. Single account, limitless opportunities. Tokenize a wide range of assets on demand. So, like I said, tokenized assets, right? Trade over 40,000 assets, right? Bros trading over 40,000 stocks, ETFs, and commodities over 30 top global exchanges. Check it out, dude. Again, I would suggest that you guys do your own. And they have the tokenized solo cards if you want to spend your solo. They're all black cards. And black metal, black prestige, and black whale card. I'm not sure what the difference is. They all look black, right? They all look the same. That's if you have 400,000 solo holdings, 10,000, 200, and 500. I don't have any of those. All I got is free solo. And that's what I'm playing with. Solo price, look at that, right? 89 cents here. Here, it's at 89 cents. But the good thing is, I think you can go to other exchanges and buy it cheaper. Right? Look, I'll look at solo real quick. Look at this. Solo to the dollar, right? Sologenic. Here, sitting at 63 cents, right? On HitBTC. So you can buy this at 63 cents. Then you can go onto the Solo website and sell it for $89.51, right? Ain't that great, dude? You're already making profit by buying at 63 cents. Again, you're right. We also have Solo here. Again, also on HitBTC, but this is against the dollar. And again, sitting at 59 cents here, right? Against dollars. So with dollars, you're buying it at 59 cents. You should go over here and sell it at 89 cents, right? Boom. Like, you know, why? Why not? Why wouldn't you do that, right? You're getting an instant markup of like 30 cents just by buying it at 59 and selling it at 89, right? So it's one of those projects that has been kind to me, and I like it. Farming token, yeah, XRP. Yeah, add it to your watch list, but where you get it at in the watch list, it only shows it on HitBTC, right? But if you go, like, let's see, CoinGecko, right? That's what we've been using lately. Let's go to CoinGecko and let's look at Solo. Solo. There we go. Sologenic, right? Look at that. 87 cents, right? So it's valid 87 cents. You know that on HitBTC you're getting it lower. Here it just says Coinfield, right? That's an exchange, right? And see, if I go here on CoinMarketCap, right, and I look for Solo, right, look at that. Here's the Solos at 86 cents also, but here when I go on exchanges, right, or market pairs, I'm gonna get a couple more, right? And you can tell that in some exchanges like Bit4X, right, it's at 60 cents, Bixlay or Bixlexi or whatever this is, like 75, right? HitBTC 63, HitBTC 59, right? Probit 79, Hotbit 86, right? So you can buy cheaper versions of Solo and then move it to the Coinfield and sell it, right? Why not? Why wouldn't you do that, right? Get it super cheap, get here and sell it against the dollar, right? And gain 30 cents like that, right? You could be doing this non-stop or sell it against Tether, right? Then send your Tether again back to HitBTC rebuy at 59 again, and then come here and resell. And you can just be cycling that, right? And it's a good gain, right? From like 59 to 89 cents, it's a lot of dough, right? You're getting at least a little bit over like a 30+% increase, right? Over 50% increase for sure, dude. Look, we're gonna look into it here, right? 59 to like what we said it was 89, right? So from here to like 89, right? Look, even here, right? So you can get a 50% almost, right? Just by doing that circular trade, which is a lot, right? 50% is a lot. You can just get it by playing arbitrage with this asset. And I've been calling it out for the last couple of days because the parity, the gap is so huge. You can actually buy it cheaper and sell it higher. So yeah, definitely put in your watch list and see if you can play that way, because I do believe it's a good area of play with that. It's called arbitrage. Yeah, I know, dude, arbitrage. And the spread is really huge with this project. I think I said something else besides arbitrage, right? I'm not sure if I said arbitrage. I think I said something else. But I know it's arbitrage, dude. I learned that at school when I was studying business and finance, right? So that's where I learned it. I probably slipped my mind when I was talking about, like, you know, that. I think I said parity instead of arbitrage, but yeah. That's the word I was looking for. Thank you, Jake, for the arbitrage word. Dude, I'm super tired today, man. Like I said, it's been a super busy day at work. I need to get like some sleep. But I need to finish work, and there's no projects coming up, so I think I'm gonna call it a stream for tonight. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for watching. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. Be awesome followers of this channel. Thank you for being here, y'all. I'm not sure who's still with us, but thank you for being here. I said it once as soon as I sent. All right, cool. Yeah, dude, sorry. You know, it's just been a massive day, dude, and I have to finish writing a couple letters still. So I'm going to call it a stream for tonight. Thank you for watching. Thank you for following, subscribing, hitting that bell, being awesome supporters of this channel and of this community. I had to get work finished, and I'm not sure what time I'm going to finish, but thank you for being here. Again, this is Ted Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Tuesday night. For some reason at the beginning of the stream, I thought it was Wednesday. It's just been a hell of a day. On that note, yeah, we're going to call it a stream, and I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of the State of Crypto. Until then.